Of course it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Woo. So I'm at the waterfall here, and I've been trying to look for a composition. Excuse me if you can't hear me, but I've been trying to look for a composition here, but it's too messy, and there's nothing in the foreground that kind of catches the eye and that kind of drives it into the waterfall. You know, the challenges today is it's not a full cloudy day, so we keep having that intermittent sun illuminating the waterfall, which is causing troubles in itself. But as you can see, the foreground's quite messy, and I really would have to get in there deep to get close, and probably not even get that good photo. So what I am going to do is, and I'll show you, I'm going to go a bit further down. There's a few kind of tiny drops, maybe 1/2 meter drops, and see if I can get something that will kind of lead the eye towards the main falls here. But it is a nice waterfall, and it is gashing. So let's see what we can do. I've got Andy over here flying the drone out there, trying to get some shots. So all right, let's make our way down and see what we can get. I've just come down from the main falls over there, just to see if there's any, as I said, drops, and whilst facing the waterfall there isn't much, but from what you can hear and see in a sec, there's almost like a bend, like a 90-degree bend, kind of with the rapids shooting down. And while I wait for the cloud to cover the sun, I'm going to show you. It's looking very nice, but it needs to be a bit higher up just to kind of show some line, I guess you could say, with the water flowing through downwards. I did already get a couple of shots, which I'll post up now. Now the sun is actually coming down. I'm gonna give another shot here. This one. I need to be around 1/15th of a second to get that nice glow. So I know with a bit of shade and a bit of elevation, 1/15th of a second is going to be the shot that I want. So I'm going to go behind me. Let me go a bit higher up. Mountain Goat Adventures. Let him. Woo! Standing precariously. Relatively safe. I wouldn't say it's that bad, but a little bit higher up than I was before, just behind me there. Waiting for the cloud cover. I'm just, you'll see where I'm looking at the moment. I'm just trying to get a shot in there, but it is proving to be difficult, so I'll play around a bit more, and look, if I don't get it, I don't get it, we'll move on. Woo. So I've pretty much taken the shot from this position here, waited for the cloud cover to get in front of the sun and have more even light, and kept the shutter speed pretty quick just to show you the ferocity of the waterfalls. Look, if I had to grade how ferocious the falls are, it's probably on the same level as my gym routine. You definitely wouldn't go in there. It would just destroy everything close by. Don't know if you can hear me, but where we previously were, we decided to go a bit further up because there was another bunch of cascades, or I guess you could say a top tier of the waterfall, and I'm glad we did because it's absolutely stunning. We are dealing with a lot of spray and sun kind of intermittently annoying us. I think Andy and I managed to get a few shots, and I think it's time to head back to the car. We're gonna have to cross the river again, and I think we'll call it a day, but I'll check in with you when it's a little bit less noisy. Anyway, there's a few shots I think that I got from here, so check them out now. Woo!
Flat across the creek.
guys, that's it for another adventure today. I don't know how much you heard before because I was right next to the upper tier of the waterfall, but it was really looking nice. And look, we're running out of time. We had to make our way back to the car, so we're on our way now. It was very nice, and we will be coming back again because the waterfalls are stunning, absolutely stunning. But the weather wasn't ideal, but it was very close to it. So we did actually find another spot here, overlooking, looking towards the mountains, Mount Tennant and all the Brindabellas. So we might come here another day and get some more shots. But just have a look at this landscape. It's absolutely stunning out here. It's just beautiful, like golden hour here. Andy and I, we're coming hard. And yeah, we're gonna get some epic shots. Anyway, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, let me know what you think of today's adventure and what you think of my photos as well. And until next time, before next time, make sure you check out Andy Mountain Goat Adventures. I'll post a link below. Top bloke, likes to get me wet.
Always getting you wet.
You do. So yeah, go check him out. In the meantime, peace.